Welcome to Session 6. Every shape so far has had straight edges. Today we leave them behind for the circle. One measurement controls everything here: the radius. A circle is all the points the same distance from a center. That distance is the radius r. The diameter runs all the way across through the center, so it's 2 radii. D equals 2r, which means r equals d over 2. Hold on to that. The area formula wants the radius. Here it is. Area equals pi times r squared. Square the radius first, then multiply by pi. That order matters. Take a radius of 7 centimeters. 7 squared is 49, so the area is 49 pi, about 153.9 square centimeters. R squared means r times r, not r times 2. Now the big one. If the problem gives a diameter, your first move is to halve it. Diameter 18 means radius 9. 9 squared is 81, so the area is 81 pi, about 254.5. Drop 18 straight into the formula and your answer is 4 times too large, because doubling a length multiplies area by 2 squared. Mark r equals d over 2 before anything else. Two kinds of answers show up. An exact answer keeps the symbol, 49 pi. An approximate answer replaces pi with the calculator's key, or 3.14. Let the question decide. If it says in terms of pi, keep pi. If it says to the nearest tenth, compute the decimal and round only at the very end. Here's the other classic mix-up: area versus circumference. Circumference measures the boundary, 2 pi r. Area measures the interior, pi r squared. For a circular garden with radius 5, fencing needs 10 pi meters. Soil needs 25 pi square meters. The words give it away. Edging or distance around means circumference. Cover, soil, or paint means area. Half circles are everywhere on the GED. A semicircle is half a circle, so its area is 1/2 pi r squared. A quarter circle is 1/4 pi r squared. Find the whole circle first, then take the fraction. For radius 6, the full circle is 36 pi, so the semicircle is 18 pi and the quarter is 9 pi. A multi-step 1. A circular patio has diameter 14 feet. Pavers cover 10 square feet per box. Halve the diameter, radius 7. Area is 49 pi, about 153.9. Divide by 10, 15.4. Round up to 16 boxes. And look at the wrong answers. About 62 means someone used 14 as the radius. About 5 means someone used circumference. Here's a check that catches both errors in seconds. A circle of radius r fits inside a square of side 2r, and that square is 4r squared. Since pi is about 3.14, less than 4, the circle must be less than 4r squared. For radius 10, the square is 400, so the circle lands between 300 and 400. 100 pi is 314. Your turn. A circle has radius 5 centimeters, using 3.14 for pi. Square the radius, 25, times 3.14 is 78.5 square centimeters. Let's recap. Area equals pi r squared. Square the radius, then multiply by pi. Given a diameter, halve it first, or your answer is 4 times too big. Circumference is the boundary. Area is the inside. Semicircles take half. And a circle always fits inside 4r squared. Great work on Session 6. You now have every single shape area formula on the GED. Next session, we start combining them. Composite figures.